Conserve the water you have. That appeal from Minister responsible for water, Matthew Samuda, amid the call is an announcement of a $50 million trucking program to assist areas worst affected by ongoing water shortage. More in this report.
Jamaica is experiencing meteorological drought. Regardless of where you live, you can see that everywhere is a little drier than we would like to see it.
A confirmation of what farmers and householders have known for a few weeks. Large parts of Jamaica are experiencing a drought. The minister responsible for water, Senator Matthew Samuda, said the situation is being discussed at the highest level.
After meeting with the Prime Minister late last week, he instructed that an analysis be done to determine areas greatest impacted by the current lack of rainfall. And he asked that we design a trucking program to support the areas most impacted in partnership with the NWC and indeed the local authorities, and that we give some support that carries us up until the end of the budget year. Now, for that purpose, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation has allocated 50 million Jamaican dollars to assist the NWC and indeed the municipalities for 6 weeks of trucking of water to the most affected areas.
The minister accepts the sum may not be sufficient to totally alleviate the shortage persons are facing, but reasons it is all that is available at this time. The senator also begged persons not to waste the little water they have.
November and December both saw a situation where every parish received rainfall less than their 30-year average. Though the data for January is preliminary, the trend appears to have continued and in fact worsened. We had expected and hoped for greater rainfall earlier in the year. We have not received it. So I ask citizens to be very cognizant of how we use the water that we do have. We're asking for conservation.
The minister addressed the situation while speaking at the commissioning of a water facility in Yorktown in southwestern Clarendon. The facility, installed at a cost of more than $20 million, will improve the supply of water to over 180 households in the community. Aisha Nation, TVJ News.